Everyone tells you to save money. Parents, teachers, even the bank. Saving feels safe, responsible, and smart. You put money aside, watch your balance grow, and feel secure. But here's the truth most people never learn. Saving and investing are not the same thing. And if you only save, you might protect yourself today, but hold yourself back tomorrow. Saving is about security. Investing is about growth. When you save, your goal is to keep money safe and ready when you need it. When you invest, your goal is to make that money work for you while you sleep. Let's start with saving. Saving is short-term. You might be saving for a trip, a car, or an emergency fund. Your savings account keeps your money within reach, and that's its greatest strength and its biggest weakness. Because while your money sits still, the world moves on. Inflation quietly raises prices every year. If your bank pays 2% interest, but prices rise 4%, your real value drops 2%. Your balance looks the same, but what it can buy slowly shrinks. That's why people who only save often feel like they're running in place. They're protecting the number, not the value. Now, investing is different. Investing means owning assets, stocks, index funds, real estate, or even a small business that have the power to grow. When you invest, you take some risk, but you open the door to reward. While saving shields you from loss, investing gives you the chance to build wealth. Let's put numbers to it. If you save $10,000 in a bank account earning 1% interest, after 10 years, you'll have about $11,000. If you invest that same money at an average 7% return, you'll have nearly $20,000. Same money, same time, completely different result. So why doesn't everyone invest? Because of psychology. Saving feels safe. You can see your balance, and that sense of control feels good. Investing feels uncertain. Markets rise and fall, and that movement triggers fear. Our brains hate losing more than we enjoy winning. The pain of a small loss can outweigh the joy of a larger gain, so most people avoid risk altogether. But avoiding risk completely is its own kind of risk. The risk of standing still while everything else grows. Think of your money like seeds. Saving is keeping the seeds locked in a box. They'll never disappear, but they'll never grow. Investing is planting them. Some seasons will be rough, but over time, your garden expands. That's the power of compound growth. Your money earns returns, and those returns earn more returns. Give it enough time, and even small investments can turn into something meaningful. Let's imagine you invest just $100 a month for 20 years at 7% growth. You'd have almost $50,000. If you waited 10 years to start, you'd end up with barely half. Time, not timing, is what builds wealth. That doesn't mean saving is useless. Saving is essential. It's your safety net, your emergency fund, the buffer that keeps you calm when life happens. But once that foundation is built, the rest of your money needs to move, because no one ever became wealthy by saving alone. They became wealthy by letting time and compound interest do the heavy lifting. The smart approach is balance. Save for safety, invest for freedom, keep enough cash for emergencies, 3 to 6 months of expenses, and invest the rest in assets that grow. Diversify so you can sleep at night. But remember, comfort today often costs opportunity tomorrow. Saving is like holding your breath. It helps for a moment, but you can't do it forever. Investing is learning to breathe with the rhythm of the market. Slow, steady, and patient. Some days you'll exhale, some days you'll inhale. But over time, you'll rise higher than those who never tried. So the next time you get paid, don't just think about what to save. Think about what to invest. Protect what you need and let the rest build your future. Because saving will keep you safe, but investing will set you free. Thanks for watching, and remember, money made simple is money made powerful.